What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another trim piece for the C7. This is the steering wheel molding trim. Same thing, peel and stick, double-sided tape, heat up with the heat gun, clean the surface with alcohol, and just put it on. But I'm gonna do all that off camera, and I'll cut this back on once I get in the car. Just gonna peel it. Overall, great quality, great fitment. Highly recommend if you look in the market for something like this. I'll put a link in the description where I got it from. I got more stuff coming for the interior. I'm not going all out and buying a new steering wheel. Not right now, at least. I'm just going to try to find some more little cheap, fake carbon fiber stuff, and I'm just going to put it on here. But remember, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time.